What's up everybody and welcome back to our channel. This is Rhea and today, I am going to help you recover the deleted Facebook Messenger chats on your iPhone. Since Messenger doesn't have a designated trash folder like other messaging services, recovering deleted chats may seem impossible and difficult. Well, the good news is, I discovered some easy ways to do so, and in this video, I'm going to introduce them to you so you can get back your Messenger chats. Let's get started. First, you can check the archive folder. There's a chance that your chats have disappeared from the inbox because you have accidentally archived them. In this case, your chats were not deleted from the inbox, they were just hidden, so recovering them will not be that complicated. In order to check if your chats are in the archive folder, open Messenger, tap the 3-line icon and select Archive. From there, check the messages, and if the conversation you're looking for is there, simply long press on it and choose an archive. After that, the chat should be back in your inbox. If you can't find the chats in the archive folder, then there's a good chance that they were really deleted. In this case, we will use the second method, which is to download our Messenger data. This option lets users download and view some of their data on Messenger, including the chats and media files sent within the conversation. Keep in mind that this process may take a while depending on the size of the data you are requesting, so you better pack some patience. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open Facebook, tap the menu icon, and click on Settings. Then, scroll down and select the Download Your Information option and press Continue. You will be redirected to this window. From there, press the Download or Transfer Information to proceed. Then, select your Facebook account. In this part, you have the option to download all the available data on your account, or you can select a specific data. And since I'm only going to recover the messages, I will choose the second option. Then, you will see a list of all the available data types you can download. So, here, I'm just gonna choose Messages and hit Next. Then choose the Download to Device option. Facebook only allows users to download data per date, so you can choose to get the data made last week, last month, or for the whole year. You can also just put the specific date. Just click the Custom option, and don't forget to tap Save when you're done. Then here, you can put up an active email. Facebook will send you a notification on this email if your data is ready to view. You can also choose the format and the quality of the data. Then finally, tap the Create Files button. You will see here, it says that the request I made is being processed. After making the request, you can check your email or go back to this exact page and check if your data is ready to be downloaded. As per my experience, my request was granted more or less than 30 minutes, so the processing time may vary depending on the size of the data being requested. After your request is granted, hit the download option. Then, you will need to enter your Facebook password for verification. You can see the data being downloaded right here. So the data received will be in a zip file. What you need to do is uncompress or unzip this file in order to view them. So that's what I did. After you unzip the file, the data will be transferred into their specific folders. So the images will be in the Pictures folder, the videos will be in Videos, and so on. As for the messages, I found mine in the Documents folder. If you open it, you will immediately see the full conversation. It also has the date and other details on the top. Using the second method is great and I personally find it pretty useful. However, If you plan on recovering a huge amount of data, it may take time. So I am going to recommend another solution that can recover deleted Facebook Messenger chats and all the other deleted data on iPhone. iOS Data Recovery is a reliable data recovery tool that can safely restore deleted data on iPhone and other iOS devices. This program supports recovering chats from Messenger and other messaging applications. The media files sent within the conversations will also be recovered as well. The whole recovery process only takes a few minutes, plus it is easy to use. To recover deleted chats from Messenger on iPhone, you first need to download and install iOS Data Recovery on your PC. Launch the program, then grab a USB cord and connect your iPhone to your computer. On the main interface, tick the iPhone Data Recovery option, then select Recover from the iOS device. From there, hit Start and select the type of data you want to recover. Go to the Messages tab and choose your desired data. Overall, all the methods are great options. It really depends on what you're most comfortable using and what you think is more reliable. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this has helped you recover your Messenger chats. If you want to be updated on all our informative content, kindly subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.